Greetings to all honest people on flat and stationary Earth. Folks, this is what's shown in children's textbooks to explain the Earth that we live on. This cartoon CGI is shown in classrooms, and this Earthrise video, NASA footage, is shown in the classrooms as the proof for what the shape of the Earth is. Do you believe it? No, I mean, do you believe that this is what's shown in schools? They tell the children that we are in the vacuum, on the pressurized ball, flying at 67,000 miles an hour.
I'ma keep it G like gravity. All I see is density and buoyancy. Wake up to your new reality. The globe is fake and it's based on a fallacy. Shout out to the flat earth haters, getting flat smacked every single time they debate us. Haters. Welcome to your new reality. The earth is flat and there's no proof of gravity. Once upon a time, it was all just one big lie. Wake up to your new reality. The globe is Photoshop, you know, cause it
has to be.
Really got a lot of nerve. I think I'll see Waldo before I see the curve. Still talking about gravity, Einstein? How about you show us the bending of space-time? Hey, what happened to the baseline? Dodging the question, are we? Okay, fine. Nah, man, but the globe's already been proven. Oh, my bad, I didn't realize you were that stupid. What do you mean? I studied it in college. Oh, you mean that blue pill you call knowledge? Are you ready to step out of the matrix? Or are you just too dumb and complacent for this to make sense? I'ma keep it G like gravity. All I see is density and buoyancy. Wake up to your new reality. The globe is fake and it's based on a fallacy. Shout out to the flat earth haters, getting flat smacked every single time they debate us. Haters. Welcome to your new reality. The earth is flat. Like a space station, you're more like a PlayStation. That looked like PS1. How are we having this conversation? Come back with some globe proof. Start telling the whole truth. We know what you're gonna do. Go back to your globe, dude. I'm flat smacking, I'm straight packing them with facts. Got them clues and maps to cut through like ex-NASA astronauts astronomically, while simultaneously maintaining rhythm and harmony. The Illuminati is definitely onto me, but they can't do no harm to me. It's a bit like Animal Farm, see? All a false dichotomy, while their secret society maintains privacy. So there's nothing for your eyes to see, except for their complete lack of honesty. Honestly, I'm sick of this hierarchy. Your secrets ain't safe with me. Stop the malarkey before you get your car keyed. MIDHIC, Brooklyn.
If you are 2 millimeters above this beach ball. You just don't. That stuff is flat.